I have 1/4 cup of sugar powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 cup of maida. You can use either salted or unsalted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, you can add a pinch of salt. If you are using salted butter, you can omit the salt. First, we are going to cream butter and sugar together. I will add the vanilla essence to the cream, butter and sugar, and I will mix it nicely. Now I am going to mix this butter sugar mixture to the flour mixture little by little, and then I am going to mix it. Mix it nicely. It should form a dough, and if you hold it like this, you should be able to form a ball. If it is very dry or something, you can add a drop of milk and then you can mix it. I'm just adding a drop of milk. You can mix the mixture, and you have to refrigerate this for half an hour in the fridge, and then you can form whatever shapes that you want, and then you can bake them. I will refrigerate this first, and then I will show you how I am going to make the preheated my oven for 10 minutes, and I have spread some oil in my baking tray. Now I will shape my cookies. So now I am just going to shape the cookies in these shapes. I will show you how to do it. So get a dough of ball, and then use any rolling pin, roll it out, and use the cookie cutter and cut it into the shape. You can use any desired cookie cutter of your choice, and then you can place it in the baking tray. And then you have to bake these cookies in 150 or 160 degree and around 15 minutes. Make sure it turns light golden brown, and it varies according to your oven or microwave with convection mode. So when it changes light brown in color, that is the time that the cookies are ready. Now I have shaped all the cookies, and it is ready to get into the oven. Once the baking is done, I will show you. As you can see, I have taken the cookies from the oven. They are all baked to light golden brown, and now you have to allow it to cool down in the room temperature. Once it's cooled down, then you can store it in an airtight container, and you can enjoy the shortbread cookies with your coffee, tea. Now the cookies are baked good on both the sides. You can see it's light brown, so it's cooked, and it is very crispy also. Thank you.